Okay, so today we're going to get started with talking about how to use our property search filters. There's a variety of filters, and based on the location that you select, whether it be a county, zip code, city, state, there are different filters that you can select in order to filter out the properties that meet your target market. So, for example, if I were to go to zip codes and type in this zip code here and click search, it'll show that there's 18,973 records within 78681 zip code. However, if I wanted to filter that down, I could go to, let's say, property characteristics and select classifications as residential. And then the property types that I'm looking for here may be general, single family, and let's just say we wanted to do a duplex as well in there. We could also choose the different site influences, whether it's waterfront, contamination, corner, so on and so forth. And you can get a wide variety of different types of sites that these properties are built on. You could choose the amount of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage. We also have the year that it was built, as well as the number of residential units, commercial units, so on and so forth. You could also choose if the property is vacant or not. You could also choose all the above. And then going beyond just that, we also have the MLS status, whether it's on market or off market. So I'm going to select that I want it not to be on the market. And you could choose date. So I'm going to go ahead and choose August 14th, 2024. And we'll do the current date here. You also have the option to choose ownership information. You could decide whether it's an individual or owned by a company, also known as LLCs. There's another option here to choose how long somebody's owned it for, minimum and maximum. You could choose sale prices, the last sale date. You could also choose if it's owner occupied or not, and whether a property is tax delinquent. We have the mailing state as well included here. We also have the valuation and equity information, so you're able to choose a property's estimated value, assessed land value, market total value, estimated equity, market land value, and assessed total value. So a lot of different options to play around with there. And then we also have mortgage info, so you're able to put in the recording date and remaining balance. If you're a person that's not necessarily interested in trying to select all of these filters yourself, we do also have a variety of predefined filters you can select as well. Before I go ahead and do that, I'm going to click search based on just the property types and the listing dates that I have included for off-market properties. So before we had 18,973, and I was able to filter this down to get 91 records to select. To show up here that fits my specific target market. In order to skip trace these, you can select all of them. You can also just select one by one. Maybe you wanted to do every other, and then it would download those. Once you go ahead and skip trace those files, they'll end up in your My Data tab, and you'll be able to access those files via CSV file. Now, back to the predefined filters that we have here. We've got a wide variety of them, and let's say that you wanted to go through and select cash buyers over the last year. You could go ahead and click search. And then by pulling up that quick filter, you're able to see all of the search filters that were added on to your property. So estimated equity, 100% here, years of ownership, greater than 1. So you're able to see a variety that also includes single family homes, general single, duplexes, triplexes, quadplexes. That's really what we have, single family to quad is why that included all of those different property types in the search. And as you can see, what had 18,000 records before now has 137 that meets that search criteria. And you can just play around with all these different types of filters. If you want to access our free download on the definitions of all these predefined filters, you could go over to our page on Skipify.ai, which you can go right here, click Skipify.ai, and we have all of our predefined filters here. You could just click download and fill in your information, and you can download that file directly from there. If you have any other questions, please contact us at support@skipify.ai. Have a great rest of your day.